Hello and welcome again to another video tutorial of VauBot. In this video, we will show you how you can set up Get Started button on your Facebook page. So let's dive into the process. Click on the Bot Manager button from the navigation menu on the left side. Make sure the toggle button is on Facebook. Then choose a Facebook page. Then scroll down and find Get Started settings. Before we create a flow for Get Started button, we must enable it here. Next, here you can write your welcome message that users will receive after clicking on Get Started button, but there is another, better way that we will show you now. So let's save this and let's move forward. Now let's find and click on Action Button Settings. Here by default you have ready-made action button templates like Get Started template, Unsubscribe, Email Quick Reply, Location Quick Reply template, and others. If we click on Get Started template, we will see default bot flow. If you want, you can edit the flow from here as well. The same goes for Unsubscribe template and others. And the third way to create bot flow for Facebook is with Visual Flow Builder. So let's click on Change Settings button under Bot Flow Builder, and then click on Create New Flow button. This time we will drag and drop Action Button component on the canvas, and connect it with Start Bot Flow Action Button connector. Then double-click on Start Bot Flow component, and give a name to this bot. Now, double-click on Action Button component, and choose Get Started template from a drop-down list. Going forward, we will drag and drop a text component, but you can add anything you want. Next, we are going to add two buttons and connect them with the text component. Now let's configure the first button. Type a button text. And as a button type, choose New Post Back. Next, let's give a name for New Post Back. Now let's add a text reply on this post back, so when users click the button they will receive a text reply from us. Keep in mind that this is just a simple Get Started bot flow example, and you can add whatever is compatible with the previous component. Let's configure the second button now. Type a button text. And as a button type, choose Web View Full. As we said in earlier tutorials, Web View Full is configured for phone view. And below we will type a link where we want to redirect users once they click on it. Once you are done creating bot flow, click Save. Now let's actually see how it will work on a Facebook page. Get Started button is right here. Yes, it works great. If we go back on Action Button Settings, and we click on Get Started Template, we will see that the template has been changed. The same way you can change all other Action Button templates. Going forward, we will show you how you can create icebreakers. Icebreakers helps users to start a conversation. We can set few conversation starter questions on icebreakers, so let's see how to do that. Click on Bot Manager button from the navigation menu. Make sure you are creating for Facebook, but the same goes if you want to create for Instagram business account. Then choose a Facebook page, and then scroll down and click on Get Started Settings button. First let's disable Get Started button, so we can create icebreakers. Once disabled, click Save. And now we will enable icebreakers. Next, here we will type our first question. Make note that you can add up to 10 icebreakers. We can select Reply Message Template from a drop-down list. This is the bot flows we have created previously. Or we can create new one by clicking on Add Message Template button. Here we will give a name for this template. And here we can add sequences or labels to this template. Now let's select reply type from a drop-down list. We will go with the text reply, but you can choose whichever is suitable for your business. And here we will type our reply. By clicking on this button you can add more replies if you want. Once done, click submit, and then close and refresh list. Now the same way we will add more icebreakers. Once you have created all icebreakers, you must click save. That's it. Now let's actually see how it works on a Facebook page. Yes, icebreakers questions are here. It works great. Keep in mind that the same way goes if you want to create icebreakers for Instagram business account.